Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine,
Fine,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I am fine, children. Okay. So, did you do the homework, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One minute. Okay.
Ma'am, you gave homework.
Ah,
Ma'am, page
we'll
number.
discuss. We'll discuss now. Who is this Sushma Vijayan? Malavika?
Malavika ji.
Yes,
Okay. Yes. These three questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter. Did you see that word by?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is measurement 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Okay. So 2 meter 25 centimeter is 2 meter is 200 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
So plus with 25 centimeter. So totally how many centimeters?
225
225 centimeters. So length is 225 centimeters and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter is 100 plus 50.
150.
150.
Yes. 150 centimeter. So breadth equal to 150 centimeter. So you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into
2 into 225 centimeter plus
plus
150
150.
centimeter.
Okay, so 2 into 5, 7, 375. So
750 centimeters.
750.
150 centimeter. If you want, you write in the same method, same
7
way.
meter, 50 centimeter.
50 centimeter. Same way which we have, our question is there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm late to the class.
Yes. Yes.
Class.
Pause.
Saying she's late to the class.
So okay. I'm discussing the homeworks. Okay. Now, fourth question is, what is the length of the wooden strip? What is the length of the wooden strip required? length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph. The photograph is this, like this. Our board has a frame, right? A metal frame.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
board has a metal frame. Similarly, if you have a picture in your a drawing or picture in your room, you just see the wooden frame of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that wooden framing, when you are framing, we are finding the perimeter, framing a picture, perimeter. Okay. And the pictures length and breadth is 32 and 21 centimeter respectively. Okay. So we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter equal to, again the formula 2 into L plus B, and it is 2 into L plus B is length plus breadth, that is 32 plus 21 equal to 2 into 53, that is
106 centimeters.
106, correct, 106 centimeter. Okay, and fifth question. Fifth question, how did you do? Did you make it kilometer or meter? You are doing in kilometer or meter, children?
Ma'am, in
How did you do? Did you make converted into meter? Or
no,
simple? No, no.
No,
Okay,
no,
ma'am.
okay. Okay,
because
no problem, no problem. Both are same units, so no need of converting. If you converted also, nothing wrong in that. Okay, shall we do the fifth one?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer and 0.5 kilometer. And we have each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. That is the main thing. 4 rows of wires. What will you do then?
Ma'am, we have to multiply by 4.
Multiply perimeter with the 4. Correct. So what is the length of the wire needed? Again, we have to find the perimeter. Length equal to 0.7 kilometer and breadth equal to 0.5 kilometer and perimeter equal to, always you have to write the formula like this. Repeatedly you have to write. So 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5 equal to 2 into
1.2.
1.2, that is equal to 2.4. Clear?
Yes.
Kilometer. And length of the wire needed. Length of the wire needed. Length of the wire needed equal to this 2.4 into 4 rows of wires. Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So our answer is
9.6.
yes, 9.6 kilometer wire needed for this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then you also give homework for first question.
Yes.
Ma'am, finding the perimeter of the figures given.
Figures, that no need of discussing, you know it. Isn't it? When I
Yes.
get time, I will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have to write that first one's answer in the textbook, right?
That you have to write in the textbook itself. Yes, children. Now there are some questions like this. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Sixth question. Shall I discuss the question? Later you can do it as a homework. I'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we should do it in the notes, right?
Write in the notes. No need of writing now. I'll give it as a homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Okay. And first shape is a triangle of sides 3, 4, and 5. So there is it is not an equilateral triangle. Different sides are different, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So 3, 4, and 5. How will you find the perimeter of this?
Ma'am, we have to add
We have to
3
add
plus 4
3
plus
plus
5
4 plus 5. Answer is
plus 5.
12.
12.
12 centimeters. So will you do it as a homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Then second question is an equilateral triangle with the side 9.
9 into
3.
side.
It has a special formula we have already studied. How many, if it is a regular shape, according to the number of sides, we will multiply with the number of sides, right? So there are
Yes, ma'am.
three sides. So answer is 3 into 9.
27.
27. Since it is an equilateral triangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, an isosceles triangle with equal sides. Here, we don't have any special formula for this, but isosceles means, what did you understand from isosceles?
Ma'am, two sides are
Ma'am,
equal.
2 sides
Two
are
sides are
different.
equal. Huh?
2
Two
sides
sides
are
are equal.
Two
different.
sides are equal, and the third side is 6. Two sides are equal, it is given 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and the third side is 6 centimeter. So how will you find the perimeter of it? It is very easy.
Ma'am, we have to multiply 8 by 2 and add with 6.
8 plus 6 is enough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So multiply
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the 8, 2 with the 8 and add 6. No need of doing such a long way. You can add it and find out, because no need of the formula. This is the answer. 22. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So isn't it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
So easy questions, I'll give homeworks.
Ma'am, so
Because
it is,
there are too many questions in this chapter. So if you are not doing the homeworks, I cannot finish the portion.
ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
that see, I didn't understand, ma'am.
Isosceles triangle means, what is isosceles triangle?
Ma'am, 2 sides are equal and one is different.
And equal sides name measurement is given, right?
8 centimeter.
So one also will be 8. Isn't
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Equal sides
Yes,
8
ma'am.
means two sides will be 8. And the third side is 6. So
Okay, ma'am.
8 plus 6.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 7th question. Again, 7th question, you just see, find the perimeter of a triangle. What is the perimeter? Now itself you will find the answer. What is the perimeter? 10 plus?
10 plus 14 plus
39.
39, correct. 10 plus 14 plus 15.
39.
39 is answer. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am.
So 6, 7. Now look at 8th question. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon.
ma'am. All the sides are equal of the hexagon.
Regular hexagon. What is the meaning of a regular hexagon?
All sides are
Equal for
equal.
this hexagon. All sides are equal for this hexagon. And how many sides are there for a hexagon?
5 sides.
Eh?
6 sides.
Somebody told 5 sides.
Ma'am, I am by mistake.
Also.
How many sides? 6 sides. So
6
for
sides.
regular shapes, we have one formula. Depends upon the number of sides. So what is the answer?
Ma'am,
What is that formula? 6 into
6 into 8.
side. So 6 into 8 equal to
48.
Okay, so that question also
48.
over. 8th question. Now we'll move to 9th question. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20 meter. That you have to write. Other 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 of homework. And 9th question we are writing now. 9th
Okay,
question, write in the notes. 9th one.
Ma'am, so 6, 7, and 8 we don't need to write.
No need of writing now. It is a homework for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ninth question. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20 meter.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes.
Am I complete?
Here, this question is reversed. It is not it is not to find the perimeter of the pentagon. It is not to find the perimeter of the pentagon, but we have to find its side. Perimeter is given there. So it is a reverse type question. From the answer, you have to go to the question. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to apply the formula, and from the answer, you should find one side. Okay, so that I am going to write the perimeter of regular pentagon is given. Perimeter of regular pentagon is.
Ma'am, not
Ma'am,
nine question. Ma'am's perimeter of square. Square.
Oh my God.
It is nine.
Ninth question. Perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? How much?
Ma'am, 4 into side equal to 4 into 20, 80 meter.
Yes. It is
Ma'am,
given as
10th question
20,
is
20
20
meter.
centimeter.
Oh me. Ninth question I am discussing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth question, perimeter of a square equal to 20 centimeters. So you have to remember the formula of how to find the square, perimeter of the square. That is 4 into side. See children, you have to think like
4
this.
into 20.
Eh?
Ma'am, 4 into 20.
4
Ma'am,
divided by
20
20.
divided by
No, 1 minute. You, listen to me. Here, I already told you the answer is given. Perimeter usually we used to find, right?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
those
Yes, ma'am.
cases, side will be given. Clear? But
Ma'am.
here, the perimeter is given. Perimeter is given. We have to find the side. That I told you that is the reverse question. Perimeter is
And
given. We have
5,
to find the side.
5 centimeter.
Okay, fine. So,
5
you
centimeter.
are you remembering the algebra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
4 into L equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
20. So, you have to think like this. Which number, when you multiplied with 4, you will get 20. Which number,
Ma'am,
when you
4 into 5.
4 into 5. Yes, correct. Ananya, did you understand?
Ma'am, a bit confusing.
Why? Listen to me. Perimeter is given there. Perimeter is given. You have to find the square side. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
the formula is 4 into side. So when you multiply side with the 4, you will get 20.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be that number? It is 5.
4 into 5.
4 into 5. Correct? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
length will be 5. You will get this by doing like this. 4 into length equal to 20. So here when you multiply, when you find length, this multiplication will come as division.
Ma'am, it is like reverse multiplication.
Reverse multiplication is clear. So it is 5. So this process you will study in 7th standard. It is the chapter simple equation. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Or balancing an equation. That is 7th standard portion. I'm not giving you such concept now. when you are studying that chapter, you will understand this. I have taught you to think like this. 4 into which number when you multiply, you will get 20. Isn't it, children?
Yes,
So like
ma'am.
that
Yes,
you think,
ma'am.
like that you think. And sometimes you may get the answer as length by dividing 4. That also you understood, no?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
a
Yes,
reverse
ma'am.
operation. If it is into, you have to find the answer by division. Reverse operation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
without doing this, you can find the answer by thinking. Yes, little bit.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The length of one side is
5
5
5.
meter.
5 centimeter.
5
Centimeter.
centimeter.
Meter.
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 Meter. Yes. I will write that reverse operation here. You just write it. 4 into length equal to 20. So L equal to 20 by 4 equal to 5. This also you write. But no need of applying this in all the questions. Sometimes you may not get it. I have to teach it from the beginning. That means in the 7th standard from the basic. So in between, if I tell like this short method, sometimes you won't understand.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Now, shall we move to the 10th question?
Yes,
10th,
ma'am.
10th question is also like that. Ananya Vijesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the 10th question. Not only Ananya, everyone.
Ma'am,
10th question.
20 centimeter.
Yes. This is a similar type of question. 10th one. The perimeter of a regular pentagon.
Am I finished writing?
Okay. Okay. So what is given here? Perimeter of a regular
Regular pentagon.
pentagon. Ananya Vijesh, did you understand? Perimeter is given. So what all things given in the question? Regular pentagon, right? You have to list it. Then you think what all things you have to find out. Okay. 100 centimeter. And what is our formula? It is a regular pentagon. So is it 4 into or 5 into regular pentagon? How many sides?
5
5
into.
into.
5 into. So 5 into side is given as 100. Now Ananya understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And all those children who doesn't understand that former question, just 5 into something is 100. What is that?
20.
Ma'am, 20.
Side
20.
equal to, I'll write it
20.
100 by 5. Reverse operation. Multiplication. When you find the answer, it will become division. So it is 20 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
question number 11. Question number 11. Those, after I will write question, I will give question number 11 now. And will you do 12, 13, 14 and 15? Is it
And
too
for
much?
tomorrow,
Is it too much for you?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
No,
it's
ma'am.
only 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are easy questions.
Oh, okay, fine. So 12, 13, 14, 15. That you have to do for tomorrow. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Some questions are not so directly. You have to think and do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 11th question is a special type of question. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What to, ma'am, you have ear headset. Will you give that earphone? I'll give now. Earphone. Thank you. I'll give now. Okay, children. So here in this particular question, I'll show it once.
we have to write the 11th question.
Write the 11th question. Write it. 11th one. So these are the homework. Now you are writing the 11th question. 11th question. From 12, these are the homework. Now this is 11th question. 11th question. Okay, children, shall I explain?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is given that a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Okay, so there is a piece of string, means a wire like this. It is a earphones, headsets wire, and ma'ams. So it is 30 centimeter long wire. Okay, children, 30 centimeter long wire.
Okay, ma'am.
We have to make with this string a square, square, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then an equilateral triangle with this string.
Okay,
Equilateral
ma'am.
triangle, I don't know how to make. Okay, so equilateral triangle like this. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Then regular hexagon. All this we have to make with this same piece of wire. Okay,
ma'am.
children. So
Okay,
you answer my question. What is here that 30 centimeter? What is given there 30 centimeter?
Ma'am, the perimeter.
Yes, correct. It is not the side. It is not the side. It is given the length of the wire required. The total length of the wire required to make the shape. What is that? Total length of the wire required to make the shape?
30
Ma'am,
centimeter.
30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. What is that 30 centimeter? In our
Ma'am, the
question,
perimeter.
perimeter. So it is the perimeter. That wire is, the wire's length is perimeter. With that 30 centimeter long wire, we have to make a square. Then we have to make an equilateral triangle. Now we have to make a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Like this. Clear, children? But all these shapes, one thing is same. What is that?
Ma'am, the perimeter.
Perimeter is same, correct. Anju ma'am. Thank you. All these shapes, the perimeter is same. What is that perimeter, children?
30 centimeter.
30 centimeters. So when you take the square case, the perimeter is given. Perimeter of the square is given. How much?
30
centimeter. What is the formula for finding perimeter of a square?
4 into length of a
4
side.
into length. 4 into length equal to 30. So what will be length? You have to divide and find out 30 by 4. You have to divide, right?
Yes,
30 by 4. What is the answer? 30 divided by 4. 7, 28, 2, subtract 2, then 20, 0, here 0.5. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal number? Okay. So we got the answer as 7.5 centimeter. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because since it will not go properly, you will get a decimal number. Now, B, equilateral triangle. Now we will move to the case of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is the formula for finding equilateral triangle? Perimeter?
Ma'am, 3 into
3L.
L.
3L. 30. So it is 3 into L equal to 30. So L equal to 30 by 3. Clear? This is a proper number, 10 centimeter. Now we will move to the regular hexagon. What is the formula for finding regular hexagon's perimeter?
Ma'am, 6 L. 6 into.
So perimeter equal to 30 it is given. And it is 6L equal to 30. L equal to 30 by 6 equal to 5. Clear, children? All these sides are different because we have to make the same 30 as. So maybe the sides may vary. There will be longer sides, there will be shorter sides. Anyway, with this 30 centimeter, we have to adjust and make. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That 30 centimeter is his perimeter. Now 12, 13 and 14, 15 is our homeworks. Tomorrow I will discuss this. And 6th, 7th, 6, 7, 8 is also homework. Now children, shall I wind up the class? There is only one more minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish writing?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 15 is also homework, right?
Up to 50. 16 no need of writing. That is simply to find the perimeter by adding. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
finish writing,
Thank you,
all of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so one more period is there. We'll continue. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.